Let's now talk about persistence. I got a mentor, and it's like a broken record in my head. He says it all the time. You got to be consistent and persistent. That's the way he says it. I can just hear it in my head all the time. Thank you, Ken Bailey. Consistent and persistent to get to your dream life. Well, let's talk about persistence. What is persistence? Consistency is something you do every day to create correct habits to get you where you want to go. Well, what is persistence then? Persistence is a tenacity you have that refuses to fail. You refuse to quit. You refuse to fail. You refuse to listen to the naysayers, the negative people who are, oh Lord, you gotten into one of them chains. Or, oh Lord, what are you doing now? Oh, big dreams, right, Chuck? Those are the things I heard. You push past those. You push past the, okay, my check wasn't what I wanted it to be this week. Well, how can I make it what I want instead of crying about it not being what I want? That's an entitlement type mentality. You got to get past all that. You got to be persistent. You have to be tenacious. The ones that are making the big money are just tenacious. They refuse to quit. They refuse to fail. They refuse to accept that it's just going to be this way. They push past all those mental barriers and all those negative moments into being successful. So you got to be persistent. You've got to push. You've got to not quit. You've got to quit quitting. You've got to push. You've got to be tenacious. Be persistent, and your dream life will come.